Hello everyone. Our grammar lesson for today is called subjects. Each sentence must have two parts. The first part is the subject, while the second part is the predicate. So every sentence must have two parts. The first one is the subject, the second part is the predicate. So in order to have a complete sentence, we must have a subject and a predicate. What is a subject? A subject tells what or whom the sentence is about. So when we read the sentence, we're gonna know what the sentence is talking about or who the sentence is talking about. Let's see a few examples. The pet store is busy on Saturday. What is busy on Saturday? The pet store. So the pet store is the subject. People smile at puppies. Who smiles at puppies? People. So people is the subject. The school will have an open day. Who will have an open day? School. So school is the subject. Fairy rabbits hop around. Who hops around? Rabbits. And one more thing, subject always comes at the beginning of the sentence. So we would always find the subject at the beginning of the sentence. It's usually a name of a person, thing, or a place. What is a complete subject? A complete subject is all the words in the subject. For example, the pet store is busy on Saturday. It's not only pet store, it's the pet store. Or people smile at the puppies. We don't have anything else, only people. So it's only people. That's the complete subject. And it also comes at the beginning of the sentence. The school will have an open day. It's not only school, it's the school. Fairy rabbits hop around. It's not only rabbits, it's fairy rabbits. And usually, when we need to find the subject or the complete subject, we stop directly before the verb. Now we have something called compound subject. What is a compound subject? The compound subject can have more than one word in the subject, and it is connected by the word and. For example, Carlos and Shane, we have two names over here, are playing outside. So Carlos and Shane are compound subjects. Birds and fish are animals. We have the word and, we have birds, we have fish. So we have two subjects. That's why we called it compound subject. Pizza and burgers are my favorite food. So pizza and burgers. That's a compound subject. We have two subjects over here, which is the pizza and the burger. Now we have something called predicate. We talked about the first part of the sentence. Now we're going to talk about the second part of the sentence, which is the predicate. The first was the subject. We have a complete subject and a compound subject. Right now we're just going to talk about the predicate in a brief way. A predicate is another word for verb. So if you don't want to say verb, you could say a predicate. It's fine. A predicate identifies what the subject is or does. So basically, the predicate tells us what the subject is doing. Let's see some examples. The pet store is busy on Saturday. What's wrong with the pet store? Is busy. That's the predicate or that's the verb. People smile at the puppies. What are the people doing? Smiling. They smile. So smile is the verb or the predicate. They're doing an action. The school will have an open day. What's wrong with the school? What is it having? Will Have, that's the predicate. It's a verb, it's a linking verb. Fairy rabbits hop around. What are they doing? They are hopping. They hop around. So hop is the predicate or verb. So predicate and verb are the same word. You could say predicate, you could say verb. It's okay. And that's the lesson for today. Thank you.